What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, as you guys can see by the title and the thumbnail, we're doing something very different today. We are actually on the way to Tampa, Florida right now. We're going to be meeting up with a local who is actually selling his red F80 interior. He's selling the seats, the armrests, and the rear seats. And so I'm actually leaving Fort Myers, Florida right now. It's about like a 2.5 hour drive. We're actually going to be swapping interiors and yeah, I don't know what else to say. We're going to be swapping interiors. This is not going to be the competition seats with the slits inside, but I'll tell you guys why I'm doing this. I've always wanted red seats. I love red guts. I mean, who doesn't? I had them in my F30 for a 1.5 years, and that was like my dream spec, red seats on a black exterior BMW. And for those of you guys who don't know, that was one of the things I had to sacrifice when I got my car, this F80, which was black on black with the black competition interior, which I love to death. I absolutely love these seats, but I mean, when the opportunity presents itself, and I'm basically swapping the interior free of charge, I just gotta go to him. I mean, I'm not gonna say no, because to me, having red seats, even though they're not competition, I mean, it's such a little difference, and I'm so excited. Like, I actually can't wait to get it swapped out. For some of you guys, you might think it's controversial because I'm putting non-competition seats in my competition car, but to each their own, you know what I mean? So this is what makes me happy, and that's all that really matters. So yeah, we're on the way to Tampa right now. Just thought I'd take you guys along. If this is your first time watching, thank you guys for clicking on the video. I invite you to hit that subscribe button and hit that thumbs up. As you guys can see, I chose the absolute worst time to leave. It's like rush hour, but I might as well get it over with today because Christmas is coming up this weekend, and next week I'm off as well. I'm gonna be spending time with family, spending some quality time, so I know I wanted to get this out of the way, get this car stuff out of the way so I could spend time with my family. And then as you guys can see there, I did get a check engine light from my downpipes, but we are gonna be coating that out with boot mode very shortly, probably tomorrow or tonight actually when I get home from this trip. So yeah, this should be a nice little cruise. Hopefully there's not traffic, but I can't wait to have red guts again. Red interior is literally my favorite thing on BMWs, honestly, and like I miss my F30 interior every day. So I'm super stoked to have this back again. I don't know if you guys agree with me or not, but I'm trading my black competition interior for a red normal interior, and I am super happy with my decision. This deal does not include door cards, but I do see those pretty often on Beamer Post, Facebook Marketplace, and a bunch of like scrapyard pages for BMW, so I will get those eventually. But just having the front seats, the armrest, and the rear seats is gonna make such a difference. Oh man, I can't wait. The only downside to this deal is I do have to give up my black seat emblems right there that you guys see right there. I mean, the dealership put those in for me under warranty anyway, so I'm really not that mad about losing them. But they do look badass, but the red seats that I'm putting in do not have those upgraded, so I'm gonna have to order those myself. But that's good for me because I'll be able to make some content with that, because the silver badges that come from the factory are really prone to cracking, which is why everybody replaces them anyway. But yeah, I can't wait to get those in as well. That's the only downside to this deal, but other than that, it's gonna be a fair, even swap, so let's go. Just to explain a little bit more, I do have a check engine light from my ARM downpipes that we installed probably a video or two ago. That was expected though, so I knew that I had to get a tune to get rid of that. We actually bought the boot mode license secondhand. A funny story for you guys is I actually have a free transfer on my original boot mode account, but I sold my F30 as is with the tune on it. So until that car is flashed back to stock, you can't really transfer your license. So I had to buy one secondhand. I actually bought the license from a guy that was featured on BMW Invasion's channel. He had 1,000 horsepower M4. I'll link it up top now. It's actually such a small world, such a funny story. I bought his old license, he hooked it up. But my plans for that is I'm going to be flashing, I think, just the stock CS or GTS tune, which is off the shelf, to get rid of the check engine light. And then I'm not gonna be going to stage 2 until I do the crank hub bolt capture plate, the CBC plate, as preventative maintenance, because I'm not going to be spending crank hub money right now. So that is my current plan. But yeah, big mods in the month of December. Definitely going to slow down next year, but definitely super excited to get this out of the way. Downpipe, tune, new seats. I'm gonna have a whole new car. Can't wait. All right, we just got off the highway. It looks like we are about 25 minutes out. So I will catch up with you guys. I'm probably not gonna film much because obviously this guy doesn't know we do YouTube and stuff like that, but he seems like a cool guy from what I've talked to, but I'm probably not gonna record anything. I'm probably gonna help him out so I can get back on the road and head back home. But yeah, I'll catch up with you guys when I get a little closer, or when I'm back in the car with my new red guts. All right, we just pulled up and wait for him to come out, and then I'll catch up with you guys once the seats are in. Let's go. Here we go. Your boy has red seats. Yes, sir. I'll get you guys a better look probably tomorrow, but there they are. Again, they don't have the black seat emblems, which I'm gonna order, but damn, they look so sick. I'll get you guys some better video a little later, probably the next day when it's daylight out, but it all worked out. Show you guys the rear real quick. God damn. Shout out to the homie Tyler for helping me out and doing the swap. Super cool guy. All right, we're at the gas station fueling up, but check it out. Sheesh. I'm so happy with the turnout. These are in great condition. They look amazing. Holy shit. You guys see it for yourself. I'll get you guys a better look again tomorrow. But goddamn, the black on red is a dream come true. It just looks so sinister. Again, I'll give you guys a better look tomorrow, but goddamn, falling in love with this car all over again. All right, fam, it is the next day, the next morning actually, and we are going to take a look at the seats together in the daylight. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Your boy has red seats. Let's go. I came out here actually because the Ethernet cable for my phone actually arrived, so I'm actually going to be tuning the car today with boot mode, but that's going to be a separate video. I'm going to be connecting it to my phone. I'm only going to be flashing the stock CS or stock GTS tune for now because, like I said, I want to do the crank hub bolt capture plate before I go to stage 2. But yeah, that is going on today in a separate video. But dude, look at this color combo. It's hard to see because of the sun, but red guts on black exterior. Sheesh. On top of this steering wheel combination, looks money. I already have these black badges on order. They'll be coming pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. Probably not gonna install them until like after New Year's. No rush on them, honestly. My car is filthy right now, but I'll show you guys the passenger side. Yes, sir. I'm so hyped. I still have to put the bottom seat in and feed the seat belts through, but that's something I'm probably gonna tackle today. Taking apart and putting back the seat was actually very easy. I was actually helping, his name's Tyler, off camera. He has a 340 full bolt-on, upgraded turbos, and his car is sick. But yeah, I helped him basically to take my black seats out and then the front seats out as well. I watched him do all the electrical wiring. It's a bunch of clips, a bunch of harnesses and stuff like that, but fairly easy. Front seats actually took a little more time than the rear seats, but it was actually his birthday yesterday, so he had to go, but he helped me get in the majority of everything you see here. The only thing I need to do is feed the buckles through these holes, and then push the front seat down right here. As you guys can see, there's a little gap. That should be a pretty easy project for me today, but I am so hyped. Dude, can't get over it. I was driving home last night and I would like turn on the light and be like, no way, your boy has red interior. I also looked on eBay this morning for door cards and they are there. There's also just like this piece by itself, but we'll get that eventually. Again, I'm in no rush to do that. I have other priorities that I want to buy first and other stuff in life that I need to allocate my money towards. But yeah, we'll get the door cards eventually. The leather is actually in decent condition for probably being like a 2015, 2016 seats. They are shiny, as you guys can maybe see on the camera. So I'm definitely gonna have to go detail these with probably Danny with his leather cleaning kit and get these dialed in before BMW Invasion. Just because I like to keep everything transparent on the channel. I am getting a driver restraint system malfunction on the driver's side, and if it doesn't, I'll just get it coded out. But yeah, I think that is the culprit because I need the lumbar support option. I think my car's memory is coded to that. But yeah, just keeping it 100 with you guys. I'm not too worried about it because I've read about it on the forums, and I think I just need to replace this, so that's not too bad. Eventually we'll get some carbon seat backs. You already know. I am so happy right now with the turnout. It looks so sick with the HREs. Complete game changer. Holy. But I'm going to try to tackle this back seat, get the seatbelts feeded through so I can have some people in the back, of course. And then I'm also going to be tuning the car to get rid of the check engine light, so I will catch up with you guys a little later. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I freaking love it. Checking in with you guys from the afternoon. I was actually able to get the rear seats in. This was such a pain, not even gonna lie. The guy I traded with was not lying. He said this would be a pain in the butt. Basically what you have to do is lift this part of the seat up, and then you have to like lodge the belt buckle like as far up as you can, and then like kind of smash it down and try to finagle it. And then you have to click in the seatbelt as well, so that was a pain, but overall wasn't too bad. But I am so stoked about the interior, guys. I can't get over it. I've been debating if I want to like change out the steering wheel to like get the red stripe so it matches the seats, but for now I'm gonna ride it out with the blue up front and then the red interior. Be a little different from people. Checking in with you guys from a few days later. I just wanted to give you guys an update. The black emblems actually just arrived today, so stay tuned for that video. You're not going to want to miss it. I'm very tempted right now to just put them in today because I'm tired of looking at the silver cracked ones. But yeah, here we go. Shout out to ECS Tuning for sending these out super fast, like 2-day shipping. So I'm super excited to put those in soon. And then I wanted to give you guys another update. Let me hop in the car real quick. As you guys can see, the check engine light is there because I didn't start the car yet, but I actually got the check engine light to go away with boot mode, as I mentioned earlier in this video, as well as, I don't know if you guys noticed, I do not have a seat restraint malfunction light anymore, and that is because Marius, the guy who coded my Icon headlights, was able to code the error out for me. He said the error didn't actually have to do with not having the lumbar button anymore. It was actually just the seat module itself underneath. He said something might be unplugged, something might have been loose, but he was able to code out the error for me, and I'm super grateful for that because one, I did not like driving the car with a check engine light. Nobody does. And two, I did not like driving with that seatbelt malfunction warning. It would just stay on my screen the whole time, and that was mad annoying. So yeah, I'm super happy with that. Super happy with these seats again. I'm probably still gonna order this part off of eBay because I don't know if you guys can tell, the lumbar of this chair, not the passenger side, but the driver's side, is actually pushed out a little more than I'm comfortable with. So in order to fix that, I'm gonna have to order this part eventually. But it's a cheap part and it should be a quick swap whenever it does come in. But yeah, can't wait to put the new black seat emblems in. These silver ones, again, are just so prone to cracking. And the black ones just say M3. Goes with the exterior of the car. I can't wait. Say it again.
Let's sound like you.
Yeah.
Hey vlog fam, I got red interior and my wheels are clean.
Yeah, that's gonna be the intro. Or the outro. Or the outro. Do the outro.
Like and subscribe. Peace.
Alright, but that's going to wrap it up for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about my new interior. Stay tuned for the seat emblem video, as well as a couple of videos coming out on boot mode, as well as tuning the car, getting rid of the check engine light. Again, I'm super happy that I got the seat malfunction coded out, as well as the check engine light. Now we can continue forward with other mods that we had in mind. Those things, obviously, as a car guy, really bug you because you see it every time you turn on the car. But I'm super excited. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, that like button. Take care, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.
Like and subscribe. Peace.